welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I'm just gonna take you along to spend the morning with me. So it's about 6:30 a.m. at the moment. Me and Cooper have just come downstairs. I'm gonna make him his morning milk, make myself a nice strong coffee, and wait for my eldest son Leo to wake up. And it's just going to be a nice chilled daily vlog showing you what a normal day at home sometimes might look like for me. I have got a lot of housework bits and bobs to do today. I also have to go to the tip as well. I'll explain that a little bit later in the vlog. But yeah, I'm just going to spend the day with the boys and in the house, and I'm going to take you along with me.
Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Right, there we go. School run is done. It is 9 o'clock, well, 1 minute to 9 o'clock. I have just parked up outside my parents' house. I'm going to pop in and have a cup of coffee with them this morning. I feel like I haven't seen my mum for a few days. It's literally been like 3 days, but we see each other a lot. So we're going to go in, have a little play. My parents' house is like his favourite place in the world, so he'll be happy as Larry, have a little coffee. And, wind down from that school run. I don't know if you noticed, but oh my gosh, trying to do joined up handwriting with Leo and the battles we've been having about it. I don't want him to do it. I don't want him to join up. I don't think he's ready. He's only year 1. I know from teaching that they don't need to join up in year 1, but for some reason he is determined to join up his writing. I think he's seen a few, particularly girls in his class, girls do tend to join up quicker than boys do, and he thinks he should be doing it. So I'm trying to do it with him, but bless him, he's not ready. He's just not ready. He's not, his writing isn't mature enough to be able to do it yet, in my professional opinion and motherly opinion. So I'm trying to say to him that he's not ready and that we'll just wait a bit longer, and then he's getting upset because he wants to do it, and oh my god. So we came to an agreement where I've made him promise not to do it in school yet, just to do his normal writing when he's doing his work in school, and that me and him will practice it at home, and I will tell him when he's ready. And then you always feel bad, don't you, when you have a little bit of not an argument, but whenever you have words with your kids before the school run, then I hate dropping him off because I'm like, oh, I feel like I've sent him to school on like a bad note. You know what I mean? So I need a coffee. I'm gonna go in, see my parents, have a coffee, have a catch up, and restart. Should we go in and play? Yeah. Okay, back home after visiting my mum and dad. It's actually like 11:30. I was there for like 2.5 hours, which is longer than I probably planned to, but Clint ended up dropping in for a cup of tea, but we're back home now. Cooper's just gonna have a little play and I'll make him some lunch in about half an hour, and then I have a few housework things to do today. I need to put the washing away. huge pile of washing just there with my name on it. Need to put that away, need to put a fresh wash on, things like that. But the job that I'm absolutely dreading today is yesterday was a bank holiday. Yesterday was the 1st of May, May Day. Now, as long as I've lived in this house, the bins have never been collected on a bank holiday, ever. It always bounces to the next day. Never happened before. So obviously I assumed that our bins would not be collected yesterday because it was a bank holiday, but they were. So thanks for that. I've spoke to some people about it and I wasn't the only one who was caught out. And that obviously means that I have an insane amount of rubbish and recycling piling up outside my house. I've had 2 birthdays in my house last week. It was Leo's birthday on, Cooper's birthday on the Sunday, Leo's birthday on the Thursday. We had a crazy amount of cardboard, plastic, and I cannot, our big bins only get collected every 2 weeks. I cannot just leave it. I'm gonna have to somehow ferry all of that to the tip. Bless him. Obviously felt sorry for me with the whole bin situation, and he has come out and filled the car up. He's lined it and filled it with literal rubbish from our wheelie bins that I now have to put in the car with me and drive to the tip and put all of this, it has been rebagged, and put all of it into the tip. I am not looking forward to this, but I've left Cooper at home with Clint, so at least I don't have him with me. I mean, there's nowhere he could sit anyway, even if I wanted to. This is me for the next few minutes, or however long it's going to take. Oh my gosh, wish me luck. Okay, mission accomplished. That was not fun. I mean, I find the tip confusing at the best of times. Everything obviously has to go in a very specific place, but it's done. The boot is empty. I don't forgive the bin men for coming on a bank holiday. Please don't do that again. I've just popped to Asda because I needed to get milk, but I've come out £40 poorer with a bag full of stuff. I actually got a pack of 3 joggers for Leo because he's had a bit of a growth spurt and all of his joggers are too short. So I thought, right, get those. I also realised we didn't have anything for dinner really, so I've got some bits to make a chili con carne for dinner. Yeah, came out £40 later. I think I just need to go home and start again. Hopefully when I walk in the door, Cooper will be napping and finish his lunch, and Clint will have put him down for a nap. Clint said he's going to go and get the cars washed, and I can sit down, have some lunch and do some work. Okay, sanity officially restored. Cooper is napping. Obviously there's the monitor there. I got me program on, me Real Housewives. Chicken noodles for lunch that I just picked up from Asda. I'm going to eat that, and then what is the time? I think it's like, I'm sorry, it was not 1:30, it's only 10 past. I wake Cooper up at 2:30, so I've got over an hour. Plenty of time to do some work. I need to edit tomorrow's video. That's the main job for today. And I've got some emails that I need to chase, deliveries and things that I need to chase. Where it's been that long bank holiday, I feel like I just want to look through all of my emails and remind myself what's actually going on with my life. Bank holidays just throw everything, don't they? That is the plan for the next hour and 20 minutes before I have to wake up Koopy and go get Leo from school, and then it will be a school run all over again and everything that happens after school. So thank you guys, don't forget to subscribe. Lots of my usual cleaning, housework stuff coming up. A really good video coming on Friday that I'm excited about, so watch out for that, and I'll see you soon.